Let's kick off our Nostalgia Slush Machine review with the Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine, a delightful countertop appliance that brings the spirit of summer carnivals and boardwalk stands right into your home. The first thing you'll notice is its eye-catching retro design, with vibrant colors and vintage-inspired accents that instantly add a playful, nostalgic touch to your kitchen or party setup. Its compact footprint means it fits easily on any counter, making it a convenient companion for spontaneous treats or planned celebrations. This machine is designed for simplicity and fun, making it easy for anyone in the family to use. All you need to do is add standard ice cubes into the top, press down, and watch as the powerful stainless steel blades quickly transform them into fluffy, snow-like ice. The clear chamber lets you see the magic happen, adding to the excitement, especially for kids. With the capacity to make up to 20 icy treats per batch, it's perfect for birthday parties, backyard barbecues, or just cooling off on a hot afternoon. Serving is just as enjoyable as making the snow cones. The Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine comes with 2 reusable plastic cones and an ice scoop, so you can easily portion out your creations and top them with your favorite syrups. The included accessories not only make serving simple, but also help reduce waste, making this machine a great choice for families who want to be a bit more eco-friendly. As one of the best Nostalgia Slush machines on the market, you'll appreciate how it turns any occasion into a celebration. The combination of classic styling, user-friendly operation, and reliable performance means you can expect consistently delicious results every time. Whether you're whipping up traditional snow cones, experimenting with creative flavors, or even using the shaved ice for cocktails and desserts, the Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine delivers a cool, refreshing experience that's sure to bring smiles to everyone around. Now, let's move on to the Nostalgia Coca-Cola Slush Machine, a model that combines the timeless appeal of the Coca-Cola brand with the fun of homemade slushies. The instantly recognizable Coca-Cola graphics and bright red finish give this machine a unique, authentic look that's perfect for collectors and fans of classic Americana. It's more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a statement piece that brings a touch of nostalgia to any setting. This slush machine is designed for versatility. With a large 32-ounce capacity, you can create a wide variety of frozen drinks, from classic Coke slushies to creative blends like cherry limeade or frozen lemonades. The stainless steel blending chamber ensures even mixing and a consistently smooth texture, so every sip is as refreshing as the last. The Easy Flow spout allows you to dispense your slush directly into a cup without mess, making it simple to serve guests or treat yourself to a quick refreshment. Another highlight is the machine's user-friendly controls. The 3-way switch, freeze, off, and dispense, makes operation intuitive, so you can focus on enjoying your drinks rather than fiddling with complicated settings. The detachable tank and cup rest add to the convenience, making both serving and cleanup quick and straightforward. The built-in cord storage keeps your countertop tidy, and the compact design means it won't take up too much space, even in smaller kitchens. With the Nostalgia Coca-Cola Slush Machine, you're not just making frozen drinks, you're creating an experience. It's perfect for themed parties, movie nights, or simply indulging your love for all things Coca-Cola. The combination of iconic design, reliable performance, and easy operation makes this machine a standout choice for anyone looking to bring a bit of retro flair and frozen fun into their home. Next, let's explore the Nostalgia Margarita and Slush Machine in Aqua, a larger capacity model that's perfect for big gatherings and family events. This machine boasts a massive 128-ounce blending chamber, allowing you to prepare enough frozen drinks for a crowd without constant refilling. The double insulated design ensures that your slushies stay cold and refreshing for hours, so you can keep the party going with minimal effort. The Nostalgia Margarita and Slush Machine is built for versatility. It's not just for margaritas. You can use it to blend smoothies, milkshakes, or any other frozen beverage you desire. The powerful motor and stainless steel flow spout ensures smooth, even pouring, while the clear blending chamber lets you watch the magic happen from every angle. The carry handle and locking lid make it easy to transport the machine to picnics, barbecues, or family reunions, adding a layer of convenience that's hard to beat. Ease of cleaning is another standout benefit. The blending chamber detaches from the base, so you can quickly rinse it out after use. The cord storage feature keeps your countertop tidy, and the overall construction feels sturdy and reliable, giving you confidence that this machine will last for many seasons of use. The user-friendly controls make it simple to operate, even if you're new to making frozen drinks at home. With its generous capacity, portability, and consistent performance, this nostalgia slush machine is ideal for anyone who loves to entertain. Whether you're hosting a summer bash or just want to treat your family to homemade slushies, you'll appreciate the combination of style, convenience, and functionality that this model delivers. Now, let's move on to the Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker and Margarita Machine for Home, a compact yet highly capable slushie maker that's perfectly suited for both everyday treats and festive gatherings. This machine stands out with its sleek, retro-inspired design in metallic red, bringing a splash of color and a touch of vintage flair to your countertop. Its compact footprint means you can easily keep it on display or tuck it away when not in use, making it a practical choice for kitchens of any size. With its 32-ounce capacity, this slush machine is ideal for serving up multiple drinks in one go, whether you're making classic slushies for the kids or mixing margaritas for your next get-together. The clear double-insulated chamber allows you to watch as your ingredients are transformed into perfectly smooth, frosty beverages. The insulation helps maintain the chill, so your drinks stay colder for longer, even during extended parties or hot summer afternoons. Operating the Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker is refreshingly straightforward. All you need is crushed ice and salt, along with your favorite sugar-based drink or juice. The machine's dasher and non-stick canister work together to produce a consistently smooth texture, while the durable see-through lid features two separate openings, one for adding ice and salt, and the other for pouring in your beverage. This thoughtful design allows you to adjust or top up your mix without stopping the machine, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Dispensing your finished slush is a breeze thanks to the Easy Flow spout, which delivers your frozen drinks directly into your glass with minimal mess. The three-way control switch, freeze, off, and dispense, makes operation intuitive, while the detachable cup, rest, and drip tray help keep your serving area tidy. Cleanup is also simple with a detachable tank and convenient cord storage to keep everything organized. If you're looking for a frozen drink maker that combines style, efficiency, and user-friendly features, the Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker and Margarita Machine for Home is sure to become a favorite for family nights, parties, or anytime you're craving a cool, refreshing treat. Finally, in my Nostalgia Slush Machine Reviews Roundup, let's take a look at the Nostalgia Tabletop Slush Machine, a compact and retro-inspired option that's perfect for smaller spaces or more intimate gatherings. Its classic red design and chrome accents evoke the spirit of vintage diners and soda fountains, making it a charming addition to any kitchen, rec room, or party setup. Despite its compact size, the machine is capable of producing up to 20 icy treats per batch, so you'll have plenty to go around for your guests. The tabletop slush machine is all about simplicity and fun. Just add ice in your favorite beverage or syrup, and the machine's powerful stainless steel blades will quickly transform them into fluffy, refreshing slush. The clear chamber allows you to watch the process unfold, adding a touch of excitement as you wait for your drink to be ready. The included reusable plastic cups and ice scoop make serving easy and environmentally friendly. One of the most appealing aspects of this machine is its portability. Lightweight and easy to move, you can set it up wherever the party is, be it the kitchen counter, backyard, or even a friend's house. The removable parts make cleaning quick and straightforward, so you can spend more time enjoying your slushies and less time on cleanup. The intuitive controls mean anyone can operate it, making it a great choice for families with kids. With the Nostalgia Tabletop Slush Machine, you can expect reliable performance, classic styling, and plenty of smiles. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add a touch of retro fun to their frozen drink experience, and it rounds out our nostalgia slush machine review as a model that's both practical and full of personality. Each of these nostalgia slush machines brings its own unique blend of features, style, and convenience, ensuring there's an option to suit every home, party, or gathering. Whether you're after vintage flair, large capacity, or just simple, reliable fun, Nostalgia has a slush machine that's ready to deliver cool, refreshing treats whenever you need them. I hope that my Nostalgia slush machine reviews have been helpful. Links to each product are in the description box below.